Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can move gallery pictures in or out of the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now first, if you want to move the pictures from the outside gallery to the gallery inside your secure folder, you first open up the gallery from outside your device. Then in here, you can go to pictures or albums and then select the pictures or albums that you want to add or to move to the secure folder. After you have selected the pictures, what you want to do is tap on the more button at the bottom, then tap on move to secure folder. And that's it. The item now has been moved to the secure folder. Now we tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And I'm going to swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the secure folder. Next, I'm going to open up my gallery app inside the secure folder to confirm. And here you can see I have successfully moved the pictures to my secure folder. Now there are some duplicates because previously I have copied them in here. To move them out of the secure folder, all you have to do is select the pictures that you want to move. In this case, I have selected everything, and then tap on the more button at the bottom and then choose move out of secure folder. And that's it. Now they are moving out of the secure folder, and it is now moving back to the gallery folder. So that is one of the way how you can move pictures in and out of the secure folder. There are the different methods as well. So for example, in the secure folder, you can tap on the more button and then tap on add files, and in here you can choose which files that you want to add. So for example, you can choose images, and in here we can choose image, and from here we can choose copy or move those pictures to your gallery in the secure folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.